All right, y'all. So we're all focused on our bottom line, our store's revenue. In 2020, the world has become a very different place. People are holding on to our money, and you're maybe wondering why your sales are either down, some may already be up, but if you're down, this is a perfect video for you because what Sezzle will do is help that bottom line. And I added it to my site after the pandemic, and I've seen how much more sales that I have gotten on my website and how my site has grown by being able to offer customers another alternative to a payment solution versus their normal payment solution. So if you're interested in learning how to increase your bottom line with a third-party payment plugin that goes by the name of Sezzle, stay tuned and I'll see y'all in the video. All right, everyone, we are here. So what we're about to talk about right now is, like I said in the intro, Sezzle and how it can help your business's bottom line. So everything that we talk about here is for Shopify. So I've been using Sezzle since the pandemic started. And Sezzle at first to me was only Sezzle, QuadPay, Afterpay, all those third-party plugins that allow the customer to make small payments over the duration of 6 weeks, interest free. I thought they were only for big retailers, but I reached out to Sezzle and they approved my site. And it was on my site within like 48 hours. They give you instructions on how to add it yourself, or you can let them do it. So depending on your timeline, whichever situation works best for you, Sezzle is a must. Believe me, y'all, it is a must to adding that extra revenue. And before I tell you why, we're going to jump into today's sponsor. So stay tuned. Today's video is sponsored by the 7-Figure Fast Track, which is a complete Shopify video course for beginners who are looking to get started in Shopify and learn everything there is about it. So in this video course, there is 47 lessons that walk you through the beginning steps to the final step of getting your Shopify set up, from where to get the logo for the best price, understanding your customers, your dashboard, the taxes involved with the Shopify site, how to retain the customer data, and also the bonus section is the best apps for getting started for every Shopify beginner. So that's the 7-Figure Fast Track. We thank them for the sponsor for this. The description is in the link, and I'll see you guys in the video. All right, everyone. So the reason why Sezzle is a must is because let's just think about the consumer. Us as normal people, we're all consumers in a sense, and we're in a sense wired to always want. That is how the algorithms of Facebook and Instagram have trained our minds to be. They see the things that we click on, the things that we like, the things that we share, and then they show us those things. So whatever it may be, we're always seeing those in the leisure of our own time without even searching for them. When you go on Instagram, you're scrolling, you're seeing targeted ads that are showing you similar items to items that you've looked at in the past, or the exact item that you've previously just been looked at and you're now being retargeted. So as consumers, people are always wanting to purchase. So us as Shopify store owners, we want to create a way for the consumer to always purchase. And how can we get that done? And this is where Sezzle comes into our sites. And this is why I say it is a must. So when you see the QuadPays, the Afterpays, the Sezzle, what I use is Sezzle. That's why this video is about that. And what that allows my customer to do is to be able to purchase. So I want to show you guys exactly how it looks on the site so you can have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. So let me pull up the screen share real quick so I can show you guys a quick snapshot. All right, so here is one of my websites right here. So this is a t-shirt, melanin definition, unisex t-shirt that we see right here. We see that this shirt is $9.99. It's actually a sale that I have running on this Plan of Volume game. But back to the Sezzle. You see that with 4 interest-free payments of $2.50 that the customer can have this today. So let's add it to the cart so we can see more in detail how that works. So I'm gonna remove this item. Well, that was the item, but it'll still work for this one. So 4 interest-free payments of $2.50. The consumer, that is an amazing deal. They're gonna say, I'm gonna spend my $250 right now to get this shirt. My paycheck doesn't hit till Friday, but I know I want this shirt, so I'm gonna just continue to go ahead and purchase it. I know I may not need to, but it's cheap right now. So when you hit complete order, what it's going to do is direct the customer to Sezzle and get them to sign up. And once they sign up, they'll only have to pay $2.50 today to get that item that was $9.99. So you may be thinking, well, I need all my money because I have to operate the business. I don't want to be shipping products without the money. Sezzle already has that covered for us. So what Sezzle's going to do is they front the customer or the consumer, whichever term we're using, the money. They give us as the seller all of the money. So we have the money to operate, to ship, to do what we need to do. It's sitting in our account. So let me show you how that looks. I'm going to jump back in. So in my Sezzle account right here, you can see that I've got almost $5 grand, $4,800 just chilling right here. My pending payments is money that's recently been purchased today that has not gone into my interest account and can be withdrawn. But that's what's really cool about it. Also, I think that something that's cool about Sezzle is they promote different businesses. So here's Historically Black right there. Other brands, you could just type into the search bar. If I click onto my icon right there, it'll drop me onto the site. So I think that is really cool. Let me switch back real quick. So the reason why it is a must is because the consumer always wants to purchase, y'all. We know that. Us as normal people, we want to purchase stuff all the time, but we may have upcoming bills or whatever life is presenting us, but we still want that item. And then this is the reason why Sezzle allows stores' bottom line to increase, especially during the pandemic when people are holding on to their money. I believe Sezzle is almost a requirement now. I'm looking at a lot of the other big brands. They all have these third-party payment processors that are allowing the customer to purchase over 6 weeks, but still giving the seller the money. So add it to your site, guys. It's super simple. You can have it on your site within like 48 hours. You can have it on your site instantly if you know how to do the coding, whatever you need to do. I'll put a referral link in the description. Please use my referral. It'll definitely help me out. Remember to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel where I'll be telling you guys everything that I know about Shopify. I have over 7 years of experience generating 7-figure businesses multiple times. So I'll show you guys more and more as I drop more videos. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for your time. Holler at y'all in the next video. See ya.